Hi, hi everyone. How is it going? My name is Saw Siu Hui, and welcome to my channel where we talk about the fundamentals of computer graphics required in the development of mobile solutions. Now, quickly before we get started, I wanted to say a big thank you for all of you for having the courage to take this subject named graphics programming for mobile platform. But before we dig in further, I would like to show you a short animated video about topic 1 that was done by my previous FYP student using Powtoon. Let's go! Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed watching the short animated video about the synopsis of this topic 1, which is the introduction to computer graphics. Now, in this topic 1, we will cover 5 different sections. To begin, I will provide a brief overview about computer graphics. Then, I'll take you back to the past to explore the history and timeline of computer graphics. Now, this timeline depicts the key events in the evolution of computer graphics applications, which we will see in the next section. These applications can be done with the assistance of computer graphics systems. And the last segment of this topic will include the conceptual model that describes the necessary steps for a graphics system to perform the rendering process from a 3D scene to a 2D screen. In order to give you an overview of computer graphics, I would like to present you the Luxo Jr., which is a 1986 American computer animated short film produced by Pixar and directed by John Lasseter. Now, this is the first three-dimensional computer animated film to be nominated for an Academy Award, in addition to winning some 20 awards at international film festivals. This short film consists only 2 minutes, which revolves around one larger and one smaller desk lamp. In this short film, you will see a baby lamb finds a ball to play with, and it's all fun and games until the ball bursts. Now, just when the elder Luxo thinks his kid will settle down for a bit, Luxo Jr. finds another ball 10 times larger. Well, Luxor Jr. has a great parent in the larger lamb. Even though Jr. is a bit unpredictable, the elder Luxor gives him the room to grow and explore, and the tiny light has no problem with that. So when John the Setter, was learning how to make models, he chose the nearest and the easiest subject, which was the architect's lamp sitting on his desk. So he started moving it around in the animation system like it was alive, and it eventually became a Pixar short film, and that was nominated for an Academy Award. I would like to show you another short film called The Gary's Game. Now, this is a 1997 computer animated short film, a game made by Pixar, written and directed by Jane Carver. Now, this short film is about an aging courtier named Gary plays a day-long game of chess in the park against himself. Somehow, he begins losing to his livelier opponent, but just when the game's nearly over, Gary manages to turn the tables. There's Gary, and then there's another Gary. Now you swear that they were twins who haven't got along since birth. In reality, it's only one very old man who is young at heart, having a little fun with himself by faking a heart attack and finding new uses for his dangers. When Pixar sets out to do short films, it sometimes does so with research and development in mind. Now, in Gary's Game, the challenge was to take human and cloth animation to new heights. The creative team succeeded, and Pixar won an Academy Award for Best Animated Short Film as well. So, I hope you get an idea about what computer graphics can do based on the two shots that I've shown you just now. Now let's move on to the definition of computer graphics. Now, computer graphics actually means that it's a creation, the storage, and the manipulation of some images, some models, and even some movies with the help from some specialized graphical hardware and software. Now, besides of computer graphics, you might see this term interactive computer graphics quite frequently. Now, when you see this interactive term, it means that the user can actually control the content, structure, the appearance of certain objects, and their display images via rapid visual feedback. There are actually three basic components of an interactive graphics system, which consists of the input, the processing, and the output, or we may say the display. Now, the example for the input will be your mouse, your stylus, multi-touch, and in-air fingers, and etc. The processing, for example, is the storage of the underlying representation, while for the output or the display is your screen, that you see every day, the paper-based printer, and the video recorder. Have you ever wondered who invented the term computer graphics? In 1964, William Fetter, an art director at the Boeing Company in Seattle, Washington, supervised development of a computer program that allowed him to create the first three-dimensional images of the human body through computer graphics. Using this program, Fetter and his team produced the first computer model of a human figure for use in the study of aircraft cockpit design. It was called the First Man or the Boeing Man. He also helped to coin the term computer graphics. There are several important key events that contribute to the evolution of the computer graphics discipline. In the next lecture, I will discuss with you one by one from the year of 1960s to the year of 2000s. Before we get into the details of how to do computer graphics, let me take you to a short tour through a gallery of graphics applications. Now, as you know, computers have become a powerful tool for the rapid and economical production of pictures. There is virtually no undertaking in which graphical display cannot be used to some advantage, and so it is not surprising to find the use of computer graphics so widespread. Although early applications in engineering and science had to rely on expensive and cumbersome equipment, advances in computer technology have made interactive computer graphics a practical tool. Today, we find computer graphics used routinely in such diverse fields such as arts, craft and designs, entertainment, architecture, virtual reality, education, global positioning system, or it is known as GPS, interactive computer graphics, visualizations, graphical user interface or GUI, graphs and charts, computer-aided design or known as CAD, and image processing. There are more applications that can be used. And we can even transmit graphical images around the world using the internet. The power and utility of computer graphics is widely recognized, and a broad range of graphics hardware and software systems is now available for applications in virtually all fields. Graphics capabilities for both two-dimensional and three-dimensional applications are now common, even on general-purpose computers and handheld calculators. With personal computers, we can use a variety of interactive input devices and graphics software packages. For higher quality applications, we can choose from a number of sophisticated special-purpose graphics hardware systems and technologies. So during the lecture, we will explore the basic features of graphics software packages and also the graphics hardware components. Apart from what we have seen so far about computer graphics, let's not forget about the graphics pipeline. Now, this is the conceptual model that describes the general steps that are required to perform the rendering process from a 3D scene to a 2D screen. During the lecture, I'll briefly go through the meaning for each step. Before I end my video, I would like to acknowledge the following textbook, Computer Graphics with OpenGL, the 4th edition, for providing all the content that are used to prepare this topic 1. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, alright? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone, and stay safe all the time.